Hello my beauty, welcome back to RCL Beauty. You're not ugly, you just need a glow up. In just 7 days, with $0, you can transform dull skin into a glowing, glass-like face using only things you already have at home. Let's fix acne, dark circles, blackheads, facial hair, and more, all naturally. Ready to glow? Let's begin. Number 1. Pigmented lips. If you are struggling with two-toned dark and dry lips, the first rule of any lip glow is a lip scrub and get that pink plump look naturally in just 7 days. We need to get rid of that lip crust. Fix dry, pigmented lips naturally. Mix honey plus 1/2 sugar plus and Vaseline. Apply for 10 minutes, then gently scrub with a soft toothbrush. Result: brighter, pinker, softer lips instantly. Acne fix. Say goodbye to pimples with kitchen magic. Remedy: take 1 teaspoon multani mitti, Fuller's Earth, plus rose water plus a pinch of neem powder or turmeric. Apply as a spot treatment or full face mask. Leave for 15 to 20 minutes. It dries out acne and calms redness like a pro.